All right, y'all. We down here at Joy's Kitchen, right here, 7th Avenue in the city. You heard? About to try out this chicken and see what it's hitting on. I heard they got the best mumbo sauce in the city, so we finna try to see what it's hitting on. They said the south side, so let me clean that up. Got Mom Dukes with me, as you can see. Let me see. We here. Joy's Kitchen.
You come here often? Yes, ma'am. Is the food good? Yes, ma'am.
What you rated? 10 out of 10?
I get the chicken and wedges.
Is it the best mumbo sauce?
I don't eat mumbo sauce.
You don't eat mumbo sauce? Well, I'm gonna eat some mumbo sauce today. You too.
Thank you.
I heard y'all got the best mumbo sauce in the city.
Oh yeah.
So we finna try the mumbo sauce. I want to do I'm gonna do a 2-piece chicken.
Sweet.
With the wedges. I need them wedges, and wedges look good. And then I'm gonna also do a fish sandwich on a croissant.
Fish on croissant.
I seen that.
What you want on it?
I seen she had lettuce, tomatoes, onions, extra tartar, extra onions. Gotta have the extra onions. I got to have the extra onions no matter where I go.
Fried onions or raw?
Fried onions. Fried onions.
And what toppings?
And when you come in here, make sure you got cash. It's
Can you put
cash
tartar sauce on the
only.
side?
Cash only. Now this joint is set up like a curry house, so don't think you finna come over here and sit down and eat. So you get your food, get that up out of here. You don't need to be sitting here anyway. You feel me? If you know, you know. Get your food, go on about your business. You heard? Ooh-wee! Look at that. That's good. All right, y'all, so we got our food. Got the wing with the fish sandwich. Let's check it out, see what we got, Slim. Let me show you the wings real quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can see it. So we got 2-piece chicken with wedges. And we got the fish sandwich. Now this is what I saw on the video. Goddamn whitened fish sandwich on a croissant. You could tell they use cornmeal. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, nice soft croissant. Ooh, got the onions. Extra onions on there. Got a little lettuce, tomatoes, onions. And extra tartar sauce on the fish sandwich. Whiting. Yeah, look good. Look good. You see it. So we got that. Y'all, which one y'all want to start with first? First of all, let me start by saying my grace. Also, I got the triple mix. Can't go to a curry out without getting the triple mix. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. First, let's start with the wedges. Now, we're gonna rate this without the mumbo sauce and with the mumbo sauce. I'm gonna get one without the mumbo sauce. You can see the one with the mumbo sauce right here. Boom, you see it, nice wedge right there. Let's see it without the mumbo sauce. All right, here we go, mumbo sauce right here, a little crispy. Let's see. Hey man, say man. Let's try with the mumbo sauce. Wedge with the mumbo sauce. Let's see. Pretty good. Now, I will say this. The mumbo sauce isn't as loud as, say, mumbo sauce from Uptown, but it's very, very flavorful. Not bad at all, Slim. The wedge nice and crispy. I like the batter on it. I like the batter on it. I like the batter. The flavor is immaculate. These wedges will go crazy. Soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. That's how I like my wedges. And this spot is in the hood, so if you're out of towner and you go in there, make sure you go during the day. Well, they close at 4, so just make sure you get in and get out. I'm from the hood, so I know. You know, you know. Now let's get to the wings. Look at that. Look at that wing. Big old wing. Got the mumbo sauce on here. I could have got it fried hard. You can get it fried any way you like. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Eat it down to the gristle. Pretty good wing. I probably would get it fried hard next time, but the flavors on point. Chicken is nice and juicy. Nice and juicy. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm mad I ain't know nothing about this spot. My man said he been going there for over 20 years. I've been down there during the nighttime. Maybe that's why I never known about it. Because they close when I be down there during the nighttime at the little club they used to be down there. But the wedges, I give the wedges a solid 9 out of 10. Only because just fried a little harder. Because I like my food fried hard, but the flavor is great. But I give it a solid 9 out of 10, only to be honest. Mama sauce lit too. It's up there with the best mama sauce in the city. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's the best mama sauce because I ain't had them all yet. But some of the curry outs I've been to, they top tier. And I ain't had curry out in a minute. So I got to go try all of them before I say this is the best. But damn sure is good. Let me get you a piece. Let me show you. It's good. It's good, man. Pretty good. Yeah, I gotta go check them out, man. These wedges is crazy, man. These wedges lit. I'll get you this fish sandwich. I'm gonna let y'all get a bite before I get a bite. Go ahead. Let you a bite. All right. You see the nice flaky. Ooh, I'm about to drop some fish. You see the flaky croissant on there? Yes, sir. Got the good old tomatoes, onions on here. Ooh, look like a good old. Oh my goodness. Right off the bat, you taste the buttery croissant. The flavors just burst in your mouth. No Yeezy, no Diddy. The onions fried to perfection, sauteed to perfection. Let me taste the fish by itself. Let me see what it's hitting on. Fish. Seasoned fish. This fish sandwich go crazy. Wow. Now this might be best fish sandwich in DC on South Side. This fish sandwich go crazy. I can't even lie. Fresh lettuce on here, fresh tomatoes, fresh ingredients. Fish seasoning without the croissant. The croissant, buttery, flaky. Y'all gotta try it. Wow. I see what my man said. He been coming in for 20 years. All he be getting is the fish. You can't beat us, man. Joy's Kitchen is the truth. Look at that. Is the truth. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, man. You probably should have got you a fish sandwich. Great. This is great. Extra tartar sauce. Wow. All right. Let's see what this mix hitting on. This fish sandwich, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Your chicken, I get a chicken and Mumbo a good solid 9.2. Only because I would have wanted my chicken fried a little harder, but the seasonings and the flavor, go crazy. I definitely recommend this spot. I'm definitely going back. Let's try this triple mix. Woo! Tastes like Kool-Aid. Lord have mercy. Boy, the sugar boy. Damn. I could just go in there just to get a triple mix. Hey, y'all make sure y'all go try out Joy's Kitchen.